need to take, you can take this or this. So this one we will take, and after that what you will do, you will take some computer example. Similar example we can take like this for basic lab. Later we can do complex lab also, some mini project we will do, but now very small lab we are doing. See here what I am doing. Just I will connect two PC to this switch, then here also two PC to this switch, and like we done, we can put some color and we will say this belongs to VLAN 10, and we will say this belongs to VLAN 20. And here we can say similar thing here, VLAN 10, and we can write here name ID. Here we can write VLAN 20 name HR. Subnet we are going to use here 192.168.20.0/24, and this side we will use subnet as 10 dot something, like 192.168.10.0/24, this subnet here. And what else we can put the IP. So here I can put the label 192.168. I will use 10.2 here. So we will go here inside this machine and we will assign here. Gateway we need to put, gateway will be the 10.1. We need to assign this inside the VLAN 10 here. Here we will use like 10.3. We will copy this and we will paste here in the desktop, assign here, and gateway will be the same whatever we are putting inside the VLAN. So this one is done. Now this is for VLAN 20 here. So 20.2 I will take. I will assign this IP here inside this desktop. I will go here, and this will be 20.1. And then we will have this 20.3, and we will put this here. So this is the just we assign the IP. I can move like this, and here we can do the configuration in the notepad. So basic configuration, this is simple only. First we will do like how we create VLAN, we will do that one. So here I will write inter-vlan lab by using HVI, switch virtual interface. So here I will give SW1 switch 1 configuration, enable config t host name SW1, and we need to create VLAN. So I will write VLAN 10 name IT, then VLAN 20 name HR. Our wish whatever we want to give, I give this. Now I need to check this cable is in 1 and 2. So I can write like this, interface range F0 by 1-2, switch port mode axis, then switch port axis VLAN I think maybe network. Now you can see my screen. Hello. Okay, maybe there is background noise. Okay. Okay, now it is okay. Okay. So see, till here is okay, right? The configuration, you understand what we done. Okay, I will write for other thing, interface range F0 by 3-4. Yes. It will give you error. We need to write here. Correct. We need to write. Again you. No. Again you need to type this. Yeah. No. Directly see here. Again you need to type this, and then whatever the thing is there. Example, you get error here. Then again you will put the same configuration. This all from here to here. Yeah. Then we will write. Okay. Yes, this one we will put now. This is the switch configuration. We can copy and we will go here and we will paste. If you see everything is okay, no error, nothing, we can save the configuration. And then you can see here the ambered color will be there. We need to wait for a few minutes. Then this will become green because STP will work in the background. We have a spanning tree protocol. Later we will see that also. We have in our syllabus. Later we will see. So STP is working. That's why this port color change. And they will do the election and they will do some calculation. After that it will become green. Now it become green. Then you can check. You can go to this CMD and try to ping the different VLAN and check it is working or not. So when you check, here it will not work also, but we need to write one more thing. If you remember, I told we need to write IP routing. IP routing, if we did not write this one, it will not work. Because this will enable the layer 3 routing feature. So I forget, so I am doing. So how I do, I wrote config T, then go here and write IP routing. That's all. Clear, right? Like this we can write. And go here and you can write ping 192.168.20. Okay. No, anywhere you can put. Ping this one, right? And maybe we did not assign the gateway. We need to check. Okay. Why it is not working? Did you figure out? Yes, we did not done all configuration. So we need to do like this interface VLAN 10 and then IP address. You need to write whatever the gateway you give for 10. So this is the gateway we give for 10. And you will write no shut here. Then interface VLAN 20 IP address 192.168.20.1, give space 255.255.255.0 and write no shut here. This one you need to paste inside the switch, then it will start working. So I will go here in the config T, I will paste here. See, I pasted here and then I can exit. I can save. If you want to check, you can write show IP interface brief. This command we use to check the interface status. And here you can see these are the two new interface, that is VLAN 10 and 20. We assign this IP. No confusion, right? Okay. It will not work. When you are pinging here, it will not work. Yeah. If you ping, reply will come. But if you configure wrong IP, then reply will not come. Then you need to check what IP you are saying. Now see, different VLAN is working. So this one we are calling as a inter-vlan by using SVI, Switch Virtual Interface.